back.
Yeah.
What you cooking?
I'm cooking dinner.
For who?
For us.
What you mean?
I'm cooking.
Who else? Me and you?
No, for everybody. Everybody coming over.
Who come? Everybody like who?
Everybody coming over to eat today. What you talking about? Who? Everybody. The same old normal people that always come over here. What you talking about?
Bro, why you want to cook all this goddamn food on my off day?
On your off day?
No, this is my relaxed day.
Oh, your relaxed day? Okay. What that supposed to mean? We gonna eat. We eating as a family. I invited everybody to come over.
Why everybody gotta come?
What you mean? Why everybody gotta come? They normally come any other time. Why is the problem today?
No, cause I'm off. This is my off day.
Okay. I'm cooking a good meal. You ain't got to worry about it. I'm cooking. Who cooking? Me or you?
You, but damn.
I'm just saying.
Me too.
Why they can't come over and eat? You always got something to say every time I want to cook and invite the family and stuff over to eat. You should be glad that we having family time.
That means I gotta come out my room and entertain people. That's what I'm saying. I gotta come out and entertain.
What you mean, people? That's your family. I'm cooking for everybody.
Same different thing. People,
they
families,
hungry too.
Well, let them damn cook for themselves.
We got all these groceries. You always talking about buying groceries all the time. You should be.
Yeah, for us to eat. Yeah, for us.
Okay then. So if we got more than enough chef, why they can't eat too?
Let them cook for themselves.
Is you cooking for yourself?
Nah, that's what I married you for.
I'm just saying, but I just wanted family to come over so we can have us a good Sunday dinner and we all eat together as a family.
My brother, family right here.
My brother and his kids
bad
coming.
At church. Well, nah.
Your sister and her kids
coming.
Most
definitely bad at church.
I'm just saying, everybody coming to sit down and eat. It's going to be about 20 of us here eating
20.
Today. Yes, you might as well go on and get ready. What you waiting on?
20. What you want, skin 30?
You seen me when I took all the food out.
What time?
Well, you thought I was cooking all this food for? You thought I was cooking for the week or something?
I thought that what you gonna cook for lunch or something. Have me something to eat at lunchtime or something.
Lunchtime, no. We probably ain't gonna have no leftovers. I'm just cooking enough for everybody to eat. We're gonna sit down, we're gonna eat, we're gonna enjoy one another, and you gonna be right there with us.
Allegedly. I don't know.
You gonna be right there.
I might give you about 3 minutes or something.
3 minutes? Yeah, no, we're gonna be right there. You gonna be right there. We all gonna be eating together. You?
Oh, I'm gonna eat in my room. I'll be waiting on you. Just let me know when you get done cooking.
No, this is family time.
This is family time.
No, you can go on somewhere with that.
This is family time right here.
No. When they get here, you might as well go on.
What time you plan on having to come? What time they supposed to be coming?
They'll be here in a few minutes.
3 minutes or what?
Like 10 minutes.
10 minutes?
Yep, 10 minutes.
That's the right time?
Mm-hmm.
It's 5 o'clock.
Mm-hmm.
Somewhere. Time to take a shot or something.
5 o'clock here.
Let them come on then. Forget the bad little church and then forget the bad little church.
Oh, so you gonna come and sit with us?
I think about it. I ain't gonna lie to you. I think about it.
Think about it.
Here you go with these green beans.
I'm making some green beans with some pigtails in there. What you doing? That's decoration. Don't be using that.
Decoration?
Yeah, that is decoration. That ain't not for you to be using now. Don't be coming in here.
Well, what the hot thing get on the hot glove?
Over there in the drawer. Don't be using
Well, you need to have the hot glove over here somewhere.
What I need to have it over here for?
Somewhere.
I'm in here cooking. How you always gonna be? You a non-cooker always in here trying to tell somebody that's cooking what to do.
I said pigtails.
Pigtails.
I'm trying to see.
Hold on now. Put the pot. Just put the pot down.
What kind of meat? They don't pigtail.
That is a pig.
No damn pigtails.
It is pigtails.
Well, I know you telling a lie.
It is. Look.
Oh, I see you now.
Look at that.
I'm gonna definitely finna eat that.
I know you is. You eat it all the time. You just don't be knowing.
No, buddy, not me.
You eat it all the time. You always say something you ain't gonna eat. You just don't be knowing what you be eating, but you gonna eat it today.
No, I won't. Not no pigtail.
You ain't gotta eat the pigtail, but you gonna eat the green beans. I'll tell you that much.
You gotta cook it in pig. That like bacon?
Hey, it all come from the pig.
No, bacon better than that.
Well, however, it's still from the pig.
No.
It ain't no better because it all come from the pig, so what makes it any better?
I guess because you fry that more here.
Well, you want me to fry the pigtail?
Oh, no, I ain't gonna teach.
I can brown it up for you.
I ain't never had that on fried.
We can brown it right on up and throw it right on in them green beans and it's gonna be the same.
Then I'm about to eat pigtail.
You ain't gotta eat the pigtails, you can just eat the green beans.
Why would you put the pig? Who in here say they want pigtail? I know mommy don't want no damn pigtail.
Mama do eat pigtails and your mama do too. And you eat them too. You just don't know you be eating it.
Nah.
Grab me some flour over there. I need the flour container, please, if you don't mind. Yeah, but everybody coming over here. You better be ready for the pastor coming too. The pastor and his wife, they come too. I told them they come on over and eat.
What pastor?
Who?
What pastor? What pastor?
Pastor Larry. Well, who else you thought I was talking about?
I don't know.
You know he be ready to eat.
I don't know. Oh, Larry.
Yeah, he be ready to eat.
What you doing?
What you doing? Oh, you finna put it in there for me?
Yeah. All right, come on.
Yeah, everybody coming to eat today, so you might as well go on and get yourself ready. Because I told them all to come on. You already know, Sunday dinner. Hey, family time. Rest day.
What is that? What is scoop at?
It should be enough.
This girl got a big old cup, huh?
Don't put that flour on the floor now.
I ain't trying to.
See the team? Yeah, that's enough. Teamwork make the dream work.
Alright.
Yeah, be ready for the family. They all coming.
I'll be ready.
Mm-hmm. And put on and put on your best behavior when Pastor get here, so you already know.
I ain't finna stop doing what I'm doing.
Don't be.
First of all, this is my career.
That's all right. You gotta have respect for the pastor.
I don't know who told you.
Oh,
Who told you that?
don't be over here showing out and stuff.
It's my career.
Make sure you come on out the room. Don't be trying to stay in no room.
I got to.
Don't be trying to stay in no room.
You don't have a pastor.
Not today. Nah. You always want to be all to yourself and stuff.
That's the best way to be.
No.
That's the best way to be. Straight to myself.
No, not when family come over. Shit. Today is family day.
Yeah, waiting on you.
It's gonna be good too. I'm doing some cube steaks and some green beans.
What is it, water?
Yeah. Just can't have nothing to myself.
Same thing. When people say they got kids, they can't never have shit to themselves.
Oh, so what you trying to say? You the kid?
No, they're big ass kids.
That part.
Go and get my drink before the pastor get here.
All right.
All right, give me a kiss. I'll be back.